go back to as a child, really, when you became aware that you had something different than the rest of us have, something that is a gift. And it's such a gift that most people, reasonable people, would be very skeptical to believe that such a thing exists. So just talk about that just a little bit, please.
How much time do we have again? I'll make it very, very brief, as brief as I possibly can. I was actually, it's, believe it or not, it's not that unique anymore. But I was a super ultra sensitive kid. I mean, I would cry, out of nowhere. I didn't realize that it's called an empath now. But
say that again.
An empath.
An empath. Okay, I'm familiar with that because I watch Star Trek.
Oh my God, I was just about to tell you that. You read my mind. You're psychic too. That's one of my favorite episodes.
I was on Star Trek, so I have to. I'll bring in the photo next time.
Yes.
I was I was one of the Starfleet commanders.
Oh, we have to see that.
Yeah, I'll bring that in next time.
Now I love you even more.
With Captain Picard?
With Janeway. Kate Mulgrew.
Yeah, she's amazing. They're all amazing. I mean, I'm a Star Trek fan galore.
You're a Trekkie.
I'm a Trekkian. I just made it up because of Trekker. You're a linguistic person. You know what I mean. So I didn't know I was an empath. I know I was oversensitive. I know that I was always, bombarded with a lot of thoughts that I didn't know where they were coming from. It wasn't schizophrenia or any mental disease. I mean, my background is in psychology. I have a master's, and I was in a PhD program for several years. Did not get the PhD for multiple reasons that I can't talk about right now, but I did 20 years of counseling and advising, crisis counseling, and all kinds of advising.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. When you were counseling, did your psychic ability enable you to diagnose the root causes faster?
Yes, a lot faster. I kind of knew things that weren't, obviously visible, and I could ask the person something, and they were like, "How did you know that?" I didn't know how I knew that, and I still don't know because it comes from spirit. I don't know where it comes from, but I know that as long as my spirit and my intentions were to heal, I knew that it was coming from a good place. So, but it took me a long time to figure out what were my emotions versus your emotions and your thoughts, and that was very confusing for me.
Diana, I was just curious, did you ever get involved in police work as a psychic?
I have not myself, but I do know a lot of people that have, and I also, I'm going to just throw this word out there, I love to watch HLN, and I know a lot of the reporters, and I'm always like texting them, well, ask them this, because I know what's going on. You can always see the motives and the reasons why things happen.
Yeah, which I think is very interesting.
So I, as an empath, as I was older, I started to realize that there are ways of shielding myself on the ongoing basis, and that I can use this to heal myself. Because usually when you're born with this, there's a reason why you come into this, and you have your own stuff to take care of, all your issues, and also to help others heal.
That's a great gift.
I'm honored to have it, and I'm also honored to help it bring out in other people because, like I said, we all have it, but in different flavors, different colors, different frequencies.
Right.
And I have had clients that are way more advanced than I am. They don't even know it. No. And I've had the honor to be able to help bring that out.
Right. I was just curious, Diana. Now you talk about. I understand. I'm being an actor and a performer, and I can relate to this. And I'm just wondering. You talk about shielding yourself because, as you know, in New York, you have to conserve your energy.
Absolutely.
It become very. I know I'm like a little bit overwhelmed today because of just running around and trying to do everything that you're trying to accomplish. But you talk about like shielding. Like, can you tell our audience and some ways that people can conserve their
energies?
Yes.
It's there are so many different ways, and they're really simple. And one of them, be aware. I mean, I know it sounds really super simplistic, but trying to figure out, is this my emotion? Is this my feeling? When you're in New York, I'm born and raised here.
Me too. Yeah.
You would think you were used to it, right? I'm from the Bronx as well, but you never get used to it.
You don't. It's like you get overloaded.
Absolutely.
With a lot of sense.
In a lot of senses, we're even more sensitive to it because
very much now
we know
today.
the different kind of frequencies. We know what's normal and what isn't normal. We can sense when something isn't right in our city.
Definitely.
And we talk about terrorism and all that stuff, which we don't have time to do, but
Right.
we really do have that sense in us. So just really quickly, something as simple as salt, whether it's kosher.
Oh, that's
or sea
interesting,
salt,
yeah.
Just rinse with it with cold water, wherever you may be. Ask a table salt. Go and rinse with
Oh.
it and say, this isn't mine. And then when you have more time, you can do it more, like you can use it in your shower or in your bath. You can take an orange peel.
Okay.
An orange peel and carry it with you. A fresh orange peel and carry it with you.
Okay.
No, I don't need it now. That's the stuff is good. I'm taking some of this stuff. Beware of psychic vampires. We all have psychic vampires
Right.
in our lives.
Right.
It could be the person closest to us. They don't even mean it, but
Right.
they kind of suck away at our energy.
feel drained.
Every time we talk to them or
Yeah.
associate with them. So you have to do the sea salt. Saging is another way. Drink sage
We just
tea.
have to take one quick real break. This is the
Okay.
City World Radio Network. This is the ACO show. I'm ACO. These are all my wonderful guests. We broadcast you every day from Burroughs Clam House. So right after this break, we're going to come right back, and the camera can go off for a second and come right back on.